Oh, very good morning, all of the students. So I have not been available for 2 days. Sorry for that. Sorry for that inconvenience. So last day we have completed. We quite a long went to voice changes. So today I am going to describe you the past indefinite tense and the present. Sorry, past tense and the present tense, along with their voice changes. Okay. So go to the present indefinite. Today I'm going to describe you and I'm going to upload some description along with some examples. Okay. In present indefinite, take down the present indefinite, the tense first. Subject plus main verb 1, s or es plus object plus rest. You know very well, before earlier I have told you. Now come to the voice change. In this case, when you are going to change the voice, you have to mention the object first. Okay. Object plus am or is or are plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest. Got it? Object plus am or is or are plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest. This is your present indefinite tense. When it comes to the present continuous tense, go through subject plus, that is tense, subject plus am is are plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest. Okay, I think you know that. Okay, it doesn't matter if you do not know, please take down subject plus main verb 1, am is are plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest. It is in present continuous tense. But again in the voice change, object plus am is or are, am is are plus being plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest. It is voice change. Mind it, voice change is object plus am is are plus being plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest. It is voice change. Come to the present perfect tense. Sub tense is equal to subject plus has or have plus main verb 3 plus object plus rest. Subject plus has or have plus main verb 3 plus object plus rest. It is present perfect tense. When it comes to the voice change, object plus has or have plus been plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest. It is present perfect tense. Now come to the present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus has or have plus been plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest. Okay, that is present perfect continuous tense. When it comes to the present perfect continuous tense's voice change, mind it, there is no such possibilities. There is no such possibilities of voice change of the tense past, present perfect continuous. Any perfect continuous, you cannot ever be able to change the voice. So what we have done, present indefinite tense, subject plus main verb 1, s or es plus object plus rest. Now come to the voice change, object plus am is are plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest. Next, past present continuous, subject plus am or is or are, am is are plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest. It is tense. Now come to the voice change, object plus am is are plus being plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest. Now come to the present perfect tense, subject plus has or have plus main verb 3 plus object plus rest. When it comes to the voice change, object plus has or have plus been plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest. In present perfect continuous, there is no such possibilities of voice change, but the tense is there. Subject plus has or have plus been plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest. In present perfect continuous, subject plus has or have plus been plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest. And mind it, present perfect continuous tense, you cannot change the voice change. Clear? Now come to the past tense. Past indefinite, there are past indefinite tense. Okay, tense is subject plus main verb 2 plus object plus rest. That is past indefinite tense. But in voice change, object plus was or were plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest. This is very much transparent, very much apparent. When you are going to the present indefinite, just compare it with the past indefinite. Write down present indefinite on your left, write down past indefinite on your right, so that you can easily compare left and right and you can memorize it so easily another than any formulas I have ever taught. Okay, this has been the following in my study life. I have already followed the same process, and also I'm trying to make you suggest to follow, suggest you to follow the same procedure. Okay, left hand side put the present indefinite, and just on the right hand side put the past indefinite. Left hand side present continuous, right hand side past continuous. In this way, just go on. Now the next tense is past continuous. What is there? Subject plus was or were plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest. Okay, In the voice change, object plus was or were plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus was or were plus being plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest. Object plus was or were plus being plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest, that is in past continuous tense and voice change. Again I am repeating, past continuous tense, subject plus was or were plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest. In voice change, object plus was or were plus being plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest. Now come to the past perfect tense, subject plus had plus main verb 3 plus object plus rest. But in voice change, object plus had plus been plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest. Okay, in past perfect continuous, subject plus had plus been plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest. Okay, in the voice change, object plus past perfect continuous tense, there is no such possibility of voice changes in past perfect continuous tense. In past perfect tense, subject plus had plus main verb 3 plus object plus rest, and voice change, object plus had plus been plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest. Again I am going to repeat for you better understanding from the present tense. Present indefinite, subject plus main verb 1 tense, subject plus main verb 1 s or es plus object plus rest, it is tense. Now voice change, object plus was were plus object plus am is are plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest. Okay, in present continuous, subject plus am is are plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest, it is tense. Now come to the voice change, object plus am is are plus being plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest. Now come to the present perfect tense, subject plus has or have plus main verb 3 plus object plus rest. Voice change, object plus has or have plus been plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest. Again come to the present perfect continuous tense, subject plus has or have plus been plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest. No voice change is not possible in perfect continuous. Come to the past indefinite tense, subject plus main verb 2 plus object plus rest. In the voice change, object plus was or were plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest. In past continuous tense, subject plus was or were plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest. In voice change, object plus was or were plus being plus main verb 3 plus by plus object plus rest. Was or were plus being plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest. This should be subject. Now past perfect tense, subject plus had plus main verb 3 plus object plus rest. In the voice change, object plus had plus been plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject plus rest. Perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, subject plus had plus been plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest, and the voice change is not possible. So I think you have got it clear. Take care of this. I am going to upload extra examples along with some descriptions. Today's lesson, hopefully you have liked it, but I would like to recommend you to leave the comments in my comment box. Take care. We are meeting soon. Goodbye.